Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Arrae subscription. So you can see this is the Arrae official website, and if we talk about if you have purchased any kind of subscription, if you have purchased any product and they have a plan of subscription and you have taken any subscription by mistake or you want to cancel your subscription, so how you can cancel. So first of all, you need to visit on any browser and you need to type like cancel Arrae subscription. Okay, and when you get the results, you will see there is a FAQ section. In the FAQ section, you need to open this one, and when you visit on this page, you will see there is an option like how do I cancel my subscription. So you can see there is a button like manage your subscription. You need to click on this button, and once you click on this button, you will redirect to on a new window. In this window, you need to log in into your account. You need to provide your registered mail ID and you need to continue. If you have already logged in into your account, so it will not pop up and you will directly visit on, you can say like a subscription management page, and you can easily cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the method by which you can easily cancel your subscription. So if you're facing any issue, you can also contact with the customer support team by using email address, and you can send an email related to your cancellation. You need to provide your registration email address, and you need to provide your registered subscription date, starting date, end date, and you need to provide like a reason of cancellation, and you need to send the email at this email address. You can see the email address over here. You can see like I want to show you something like support@help@shoparrae.com. You can send your email at this email address, and once they receive your email, they will reply you very soon. And if they don't reply you, you need to get in touch with their customer support team, and if you get reply from their side, you need to ask a proof of cancellation, okay, in the written form. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your Arrae subscription. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.